Welcome to our Quick Bite series. A few minutes video to grab a concept. We understand how precious the time is for IT professionals. This Quick Bite series is all free from Insuo.com. We will be releasing Quick Bite series on process, concepts, and products. This Quick Bite is about personal lines new business components. This is part of policy administration of property and casualty insurance. Go and grab it. We will jump into the topic. We don't want to waste your time.
As a software professional, it is key to understand the process when you gather requirements, design, develop, or test the application. This slide will help you understand the new business policy components. This is focused on property and casualty personal lines insurance. This is not a process slide, but components in new business process. However, this will help you to understand the terms used in the new business process. Let us start with inquiry and submit an application. The inquiry is a combination of distribution and a new business process that occurs when a prospective customer approaches to learn about the insurance product, or know the premium, or buy the insurance policy, or compare different insurance products for selection, etc. It may be the other way around, where an insurance company or its intermediaries approaches the prospective client to explain the product coverages, which is where the inquiry starts. However, with the technological developments, this may be through various digital channels. Even though some of the digital channels are only for advertisement, this triggers the prospective customer to approach the insurance company or intermediary to inquire about the product. For your information, various digital channels are listed here. Let us look at it from the perspective of the common man. When you want to buy an insurance policy, what do? Either you go to the internet to search for the insurance companies, or you work with an intermediary who can provide an insurance product that suits you. Or chat on the web, maybe a robotic chatbot, or you go to a web aggregator site where you compare the insurance products and premium. Correct. This is basically inquiry in the current technological world. The new business process starts here. Once you are satisfied with the product that suits your need, you want to know the premium that you need to pay.
To know the premium, you need to provide details about you and the risk. For example, if you want to insure your car, you need to provide your name and address, your vehicle details, your driving details, etc. Once you have provided the basic details, usually an initial quotation is given. But before giving an initial quotation, some background work is done by the insurance company. Let's take a look at what those are.
You need to understand the term underwriting. Underwriting is the process of the insurance company accepting or rejecting a risk. When an application is submitted, initially the eligibility criteria are checked for the initial quotation. If the risk is eligible, usually the initial premium quotation is displayed after the rating. Once the initial premium is accepted, additional information is collected. For example, motor vehicle records of a driver are gathered, and claim experience is collected. Based on the driving experience and claim history, underwriter may decide to accept or reject the risk. It happens that this underwriting process is automated or manual intervention is needed. But most of the time, due to improvements in technology, especially for personal lines, it may be automated. It may happen that in certain cases, it is referred to the underwriter for manual intervention. The next back-end process is rating. The insurer has to calculate the premium based on the details given by the prospective customer. The risk, coverages, and other factors are taken into account while calculating the premium. There are many factors and formulas involved in determining the premium amount. You can see in the table here that a sample of the final output rating is given. What you see in the rating description is for the insurance of a car for personal use. Based on the coverage selected by the insured, the premium is calculated. You can see terms like comprehensive, collision, liability, etc. These are coverages. You need to understand the term coverage. Coverage means what is protected by insurance for the particular risk of the insured. Surcharges and taxes are added. Discount, if any, is deducted. Especially in the USA, based on the state regulations on rating, the product chosen, type of risk, the rating calculations varies. This is just an example for you to look at. After underwriting and rating, a quotation is provided to the prospective customer. You can see in the example that two amounts are shown. One is on installment pay, and another is on full pay. You can also see that the term is mentioned as 6 months policy. After 6 months, the policy has to be renewed. The example given here is for USA Geography and for a personal auto policy. Usually, a 6-month policy is issued. Also, installment payments are accepted. Installments are calculated based on the selections made during billing and payment by the insured. We have not covered the billing aspect here. Usually, billing is not a core component of policy administration. However, some organizations may have it as a part of policy administration as well, though rarely. The insured can choose to pay in full or in installments. Once he selects his choice and pays the premium, the process of issuing the policy starts. The procedure of issuing the insurance policy begins once the potential consumer has paid the premium. The policy issue is where the data gathered throughout the process is finally validated. The process of creating policy documents then begins. This procedure results in the gathering of policy forms, additional forms, and policy declarations. Based on the system, regulatory requirements, and process of a specific insurance organization, policies are sent electronically, in printed form, or both. You would have seen that now most of the insurance policies are also sent electronically through email or allowed in portal for download. This is the end of the slide on new business policy components.
Thank you for watching the Quick Bite series. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and provide a thumbs up if you like this video. Visit our website www.insuu.com for formal courses and certification.